Hey guys, going to be doing a software review. Let's get started. So a few weeks ago I was contacted by Digiarty Software and they asked if I was interested in reviewing one of their products. They sent me a copy of MACX HD Video Converter Pro, and that's what we're going to look at today. Really simply, all this software does is it converts video from one format to another. It's available in both Mac and Windows versions, and obviously I'm looking at the Windows version because that's what I run. So software is really easy. I'm going to open up a video folder. So really what you do is you select the video or videos that you want and you just drag and drop them right over here. So you can do as many as you want, and then you see you've got the list of videos here. You select the output folder. This folder here, you can actually set the default for where you want this guy to be, or you can just pick what you want. And then on the second half of the screen here, you actually have tabs that dictate what the output format is going to be. So you see you've got a handful of options here. You can go to general video, DVD, HD video, and all the way over to the right here. You actually have an option as well to convert to music. So if you only wanted the audio from a video, you can select this and actually get an MP3, which is a really cool feature. And then each one of these tabs has a set of, I guess, sub-tabs underneath, and then you have options that you can modify if you wanted. Now, for all the testing that I did, I just kept all of the default values, and all of the video resulting video that I got all looked okay. So I just kept the defaults. But if you're one of these people that like to mess around with these kind of things, you have the option to do so. So that's really nice. So I'm just going to pick general video MP4. And then once you have all this selected, then you just go ahead and hit start. Now I'm actually going to remove these guys so that we're only doing one and we're not waiting all day for this. So like I said, you drop your video or videos, select your output format, and then you hit start. And that's it. And there you go. You know, there are a few sort of other neat features that I think are worth mentioning. This one's pretty cool, this button right here. So this little button here, YouTube, actually is, actually we'll get rid of this warning here, will actually let you convert online video like from YouTube or Vimeo or a handful of other places. All you would do is just copy and paste the URL, hit OK, and then just pick your output format, and then you have an option to download those videos locally, which is really neat. This I really liked. You can actually adjust the start and end times of the video, and so you've got these little sliders here, and you can actually say, let's see, like I only want this portion of the video, let's say. So I'm going to start at time 1 and end at time 3. And so you can actually just clip the video that you care about, the part of the video that you care about, select your output format, hit start, and only get that piece, which is really slick. You also have an option to do a screen capture, so you can actually adjust this and get the portion of the video that you want. You can hit this button and then output to like a JPEG or actually a bitmap as well. So that's kind of cool as well. Underneath these little sub-tabs, you have these options. One of these options is this effect button. You can actually crop the video, which I think is really slick. So you can come in here and say, well, I only want this part of my video because I really like, in my example here, I really like this box. And you can say OK, hit start, and then your output video is only going to be this, or the piece that you cropped out, which is really slick. There are a few things though that I wasn't a huge fan of. Most of it is minor, but worth mentioning. So this trim feature I like a lot, which is cool. But the one thing I don't like is that you have to calculate how long the clip is going to be. Now, it'd be nice if there was an actual calculation here that told you exactly how long that is, so you're not sitting there trying to, you know, do the time math. This one is probably, of all the ones, this might be the one that annoyed me the most. Not really annoyed, but there are these columns here. So you've got, you know, this is what your list of videos are going to be. These columns don't adjust, so I don't have an ability to make these wider or not. And where that becomes an issue is, if you'll notice here on my list of videos, I've got I name my videos all the same, and then they're numbered so that I can keep them organized. And if I drop all these guys here, I can't really tell which ones these are. I mean, they both, you know, the end of the name is clip, so I don't know what this part is. So if I've got like this video and this video and this video, I don't really know what these guys are because they all look the same. And that sort of is the same thing over here as well. I mean, you do get the information if you hover over the video. So you should get that. And that's okay, but it would be nice if I could just adjust this way. So, you know, overall, minor usability issues, not really game changers here. They're just, you know, it would be nice if we could do all that. Let's see. Oh, you know, I should mention one more thing. You know, when I first started using the software, I ran into kind of a weird problem. I passed this along back to the support team for Digiarty, and they were really, really fantastic. I mean, super quick to respond, and they were able to help me out. It was basically user error on my part, but the fact that these guys were so responsive was really a big plus in my book. So I think, you know, I definitely wanted to point that out. I mean, so overall, minor issues aside, I have to say that this is a pretty solid utility, and I definitely will recommend it. So I think it gets a thumbs up from me. That's about it, guys. I just wanted to, again, to thank Digiarty for sending this over for me to review. Please check out the description below for links on how to get the software, and definitely like and subscribe, since that helps me out a ton. Follow me on Twitter and Google+ to get updates on when new videos are posted. The links are below, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.